one, I'm Rachel. This is our sampling room. Many customers have questions about the production process of their products. They will send us drawings or samples to us. Our master will carry out a detailed assessment, make professional analysis according to the appearance and quality requirements of the products, and quickly complete the proofing to provide customers with intuitive reference of the processing effect. In addition, we will ask the master to debug the machine, place the tool, and fix the connect in the factory before the customer shipment. To ensure that the equipment can be put into use directly after arriving at the customer's site. We are committed to providing customers with efficient and accurate service to ensure smooth production and good quality.